everyone, my name's Sergi. I'm 11 years old. Today I want to present about tobacco and alcohol. So first let's look through some facts. So, tobacco and alcohol. Do you know that they're drugs? If you do, then let's continue. So here we have some facts about drugs. So there are three ways that you use drug. First way is you use it in a legal way for extended purpose while following the exact instructions that you get from your doctor. Not overusing, not stopping using it, okay? Use like the correct amount at the correct time. When? So we have drug but misusing it. So you use this drug for medical purpose but not following the given instruction. So your doctor gonna tell you to drink this at this moment and there, and when you will drink it and how much you will drink it, and you don't follow that means you misuse it. But the final one is not good. Drug but abusing it. You abuse it. You use not with the full instructions because no one instructed you. You use it illegally, not for medical purposes. You don't follow the instruction because there's no instructor to instruct you. So yeah, this one it means that you use it illegally. No, I mean legal and illegally. I forgot to read that. For non-medical reasons. So we'll know why we will use it. So this is our level when we drink alcohol. So first let's talk about alcohol. First, it is a drug. Second, it gives us bad effects. For example, people don't let you to drive after you drink alcohol. Okay? After you use that kind of drug and you drive, yeah, you're gonna get into traffic problems. In the United States, if you're drinking it in an illegal way, then you must be at least 21 years old. And this is what happens if you drink alcohol and doesn't stop. So first, it's a drug and it is an addictive drug, so it will cause you to love it. Well, like it costs you to not stop using it. This is our liver, and when you drink alcohol, it's gonna like kind of. So when you go to work, you have to work in your time. Then when it's time for you to go home, then you go home. But this time, you have to stay back and work overtime. That's what the liver did when you drink alcohol and do not stop drinking it. This is a liver with cirrhosis, which is when you drink too much alcohol and it is being caused. Great problem. It also like if you like games, then you will see like buffing those buffing in games, right? So the negative side, alcohol actually make you better at some jobs like driving. There, it's gonna slow your react time down. So you have to react time. Like it makes you, what should I say? You in a healthy way. Okay. So when you're healthy and you drink it and non-stopping, you will get weaker because it like make your whole body, all of its systems will slow down or like hardly works. Like I already said, you should not drive until you drink alcohol because it makes you dizzy and it's hard to focus on driving and you're gonna get into traffic problems. Going to the police station, of course, don't drink alcohol before you drive, okay? So that's why. And second thing, yeah, that's all. So like it debuffs you. If you like games that you would understand, it weakens you. There, a very easy way to understand it. Next, we're gonna look at tobacco. So here are the chemicals that you can find in tobacco itself. We have butane, carbon monoxide. There are over 400 chemicals, so I can't tell, and I don't have time to read all this. It's time wasting. But as you can see on the other side, you can also find these chemicals and other things too. So there was just a fly or mosquito that fly through my hand, so I accidentally auto-reacted. So, what should I say? When you smoke tobacco, well, when I say what should I say, it means like it's a very painful way if I describe my way. When you smoke tobacco with these chemicals, well, if you don't use the fake ones, like fake cigarettes that Hollywood actors uses, and you use the real one, tobaccos, it's like you're smoking these things. It's like you're smoking poison. So this thing is like poisoning you time by time. It's like that's what you're smoking. Like thought about replacing the cigarette into these things. What would it be like? So it's actually very bad if you smoke. Finally, we're gonna go to drug prevention. Now we know about these two kind of drugs. How can we prevent us from them? Time to fight. No, you can't fight. It's very addictive. So 6 things you need to do. First, stay involved in school. In school, they're gonna teach you not to use drugs. They're gonna teach you about the bad effects, so you know why you shouldn't use it. Okay? You must keep a friend group of good influences, so as find a positive role model to look up to. So they're like the same thing. You're gonna you form a friend group with good influences. They don't just influence you to smoke or do something bad. Maybe exercising, eat healthy food. They make you healthy, right? And look up to a positive role model. It's just as the same, but this time not a group. They're not gonna influence you, but looking up to them is like to study at them. What they do, like they could have good habits. No smoking place, no using drugs. You have to communicate with the adults in your life. Talk about what you feel about it. Like when you feel like you want to smoke, use drugs, like it's gonna end your life. You're gonna talk with your parents, your family, your relatives, your friends. Now, just the adults with them about these things, so that they can like tell you more about them and why you shouldn't use them. And when you tell them about this, they're gonna be more cautious in keeping you away from them. This them that I just said means the drugs, not only tobacco and alcohol. Stay positive and be a good student. Be a good student is kind of related to look up to a positive role model, because when you look up to it, it's like you study the good things they do. Good things they do. They don't use drugs, at least. Be positive doesn't mean that you have to look onto the positive side. It means that you should not use drugs to get a bad ending. Well, they give you a bad ending in your life, so better not use it, guys. I told you. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your listening, and goodbye. 6 time.